Immense.
Immense mean huge, enormous, gigantic, colossal.
Opposite meanings are puny, insignificant, paltry, trifling.
Immaculate.
Immaculate mean unsullied, spotless, untarnished, untainted.
Opposite meanings are defiled, tarnished, obscene, profane.
Imbecile.
Imbecile mean weak, senile, feeble, unsound.
Opposite meanings are sane, sagacious, astute, wise.
Imaginary.
Imaginary mean illusory, visionary, insubstantial, subjective.
Opposite meanings are factual, tangible, genuine, evident.
Ignorance.
Ignorance mean illiteracy, darkness, unawareness, unconsciousness.
Opposite meanings are knowledge, enlightenment, apprehension, recognition.
Ignominious.
Ignominious mean disgraceful, shameful, dishonorable, scandalous.
Opposite meanings are dignified, distinguished, creditable, stately.
Juvenile.
Juvenile mean young, tender, youthful, adolescent.
Opposite meanings are dotage, antiquated, senile, old.
Justify.
Justify mean defend, exculpate, warrant, vindicate.
Opposite meanings are impute, arraign, accuse, incriminate.
Just.
Just mean honest, impartial, righteous, upright.
Opposite meanings are unequal, unfair, discriminatory, unseasonable.
Judicious.
Judicious mean thoughtful, prudent, discerning, discriminating.
Opposite meanings are irrational, foolish, misconception, fatuous.
Jubilant.
Jubilant mean rejoicing, triumphant, gay, cheerful.
Opposite meanings are melancholy, depressing, gloomy, despondent.
Jovial.
Jovial mean frolicsome, cheerful, merry, exultant.
Opposite meanings are solemn, morose, malcontent, sad.
Jaded.
Jaded mean tired, exhausted, fatigued, languish.
Opposite meanings are renewal, recreation, restorative, refreshed.
Jejune.
Jejune mean dull, boring, uninteresting, monotonous.
Opposite meanings are interesting, exciting, piquant, thrilling.
Kindred.
Kindred mean relation, species, relative, affinity.
Opposite meanings are unrelated, dissimilar, heterogeneous, disparate.
Keen.
Keen mean sharp, poignant, eager, acute.
Opposite meanings are vapid, insipid, blunt, undesiring.
Knave.
Knave mean dishonest, scoundrel, vagabond, rogue.
Opposite meanings are paragon, innocent, benefactor, idealist.
Knell.
Knell mean death knell, last blow, demolish, suppress.
Opposite meanings are reconstruction, rediscovery, procreation, resurrection.
Knotty.
Knotty mean complicated, difficult, arduous, onerous.
Opposite meanings are simple, manageable, tractable, flexible.
Luxuriant.
Luxuriant mean profuse, abundant, dense, plentiful.
Opposite meanings are scanty, meager, inadequate, deficient.